Hello viewers and subscribers from around the world. How are you doing? Please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates. But have you heard the latest? We will not allow Nigeria to break up. It won't happen under our watch. Nigeria must remain one at all costs. That was from a Northern Governors Forum, and we already know why they said so. Is it that they love the union? Not at all. They love the Niger Delta oil. Northern Governors Forum said they have never discussed Nigeria's breakup and it has never been in their agenda. They have never planned for it in case it will happen. It has not entered their dreams. They consider their region as having the highest population, and that would be catastrophic to think about separation. You know, now that they are even taking their share of Eastern oil, it is not even easy to take care of the people of the region. How is it going to be? It's going to be even worse without Eastern oil. You know, this oil, they have been sucking it like twin babies on one mother, sucking and sucking. Could you imagine these guys are praising themselves, saying, look at what they say, just listen. They said, if you examine the situation, you would find out that it is only in northern Nigeria that there is no agitation for the breakup of the country. So they are praising themselves about that. To them, the unity of Nigeria is sacrosanct. And they added that the North has been playing the role of encouraging the unity of Nigeria. Let's listen again. They said, that is why we are the root of this country. If the root is uprooted, the tree will not be there. They also added that we like to be patient. That's what they said. We like to encourage Nigerians to love their country, to be united, and to tolerate one another. Really? So that we can build a kind of country we would like to build. That's how that's what I said. Of course, they had the cause to cost, they know what to lose. They had to make the country united. Because the moment the oil is finished, by themselves they will say, let's split. It is so clear that crude oil is the binding glue. That is why an average northerner constantly shouts, one Nigeria. It is not actually one Nigeria, but one oil. Lot of laughs. These guys don't like to hear anything Biafra in their dreams. Oil is the reason. Imagine if the Nigerian oil belonged to the North. Imagine if it was found in the northern land. So, they actually need this unity at all costs and have always advised their people to be patient with handling these guys seeking to split up the country. IPUB, MASSUP, BIM. According to them, being together with other regions in the country is the best for them and must be promoted. They are advising their northerners. So these governors announce unity and sing one Nigeria as if it's from their heart. Is it really from their heart? Actually, I believe it is when all things remain equal. Once the milking continues, oh, one Nigeria. That is it. Well, in case you don't know, one of the Yoruba governors married an Igbo woman, and she is 3 years older than him. Wow. Well, it is said that love knows no age. It is also blind. But could this be why he is governor today? Behind every successful man, there is a lady, there is a woman, there is a Mrs. Love is a beautiful thing, and everyone hopes to be favored by it. In this way, sometimes we ignore each religion or cultural differences and focus more on the love you have for each other. But for me, I consider religion. I don't want to be unequally yoked. One got to be careful when it comes to religion. If you of other things pass, religion, no, I need to consider it. Reasons people could worry about age in marriages: sometimes they feel the woman will look down on them. The other is that people could laugh at them. Apart from that, but religion is where I might say no. Governor Akeredolu was born on 21st July 1956 in Owo, Ondo State. He attended the University of Ife, now called Obafemi Awolowo University, to study law, graduating in 1977. Wow. He was called to the Nigerian bar in 1978. He got married to his heartthrob on April 18, 1981, and they are blessed with 4 children, including grandchildren. Wow. They both met when they were serving in Enugu State and fell in love immediately. So Enugu is the connection. Akeredolu was 22 years old when he got married to Betty Anyanwu, who was 25 years old. Betty was born in 1953 in Owerri West in Imo State. The marriage is 39 years old, yet no case of divorce. Their love endured so much until he became the current governor of Ondo State, as at the time of this report, 2020. And she is the first lady of the state. An Igbo woman is the first lady of a Yoruba state. Wow! You won't know that she is an Igbo woman that got married to a Yoruba. You won't know until you are even told. Imagine how their different life would have been if they had allowed age to determine their love or relationship. Age is just a number. It should not determine who you should marry or not to marry, so long the love is strong between the two parties. And meanwhile, some say, I will not marry my grandmother age or my mother's age. So he got married to an Igbo woman who is 3 years older than him. If it is not for love, then I don't know what to call it, because he wasn't governor then. Maybe match made in heaven. Please, we would like to know, tell us what you think about this marriage. What do you think about that of Fani Kayode and his Igbo wife? What about Davido and Chioma? What of Emeka Anyoko, the former Commonwealth Secretary General, who married a Yoruba? But the fourth I want to talk about is, why do Yoruba feel sad that Igbos are buying up their space and need to be stopped or dispossessed of their properties? These are properties they got with hard-earned money. Why? Are we still one as we claimed? When Igbos were leaving Nigeria in 1967, Yoruba generals, army officers fought to keep Igbos back. So, why can't we agree? The essence is not to cause more division, but for us to agree. Why do Yoruba feel jittered about Igbo's success? Do Igbos have the intention of outwitting Yorubas in their land? No. Igbos are just naturally gifted in the area of business in particular. And they are doing it to earn a living. They're just exhibiting what God has placed in them. They are not competing with the Yorubas. So why do Yorubas sometimes feel jittered? Please, we would like to know what you think about this. Put your comments on the comment section of this channel. And what do you also think about the Northern Governor's resolve that Nigeria must remain one, even against all odds, even against the maltreatment of a region in the country? What do you think? We'd like to know. I am Azuka Uzwa OJ. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon to always get our updates. Bye for now.